One quiet night, Luna and Bunny sat on a hill, watching the stars sparkle in the sky.
Look, Bunny! The stars are so beautiful tonight. I wish I could touch one.
Suddenly, a tiny star fell from the sky and landed nearby.
Ah! Ouch! I think I'm lost. Wow! Look, Bunny! A talking star!
Don't worry, we'll help you get back home. And the three friends began searching for a way to return to the sky. Luna tried standing on a rock but failed.
Ah! Too short! Bunny, help me!
And then an idea came up with Luna.
Bunny, I have an idea! Go gather the fireflies!
But when Luna was finding a way for the star to go home, the star was sad.
What if? What if I can never go home?
While Star is busy, Bunny have already gathered the fireflies. Star, are you ready? And the fireflies swirled the star, lifting it higher and higher.
It's working! Thank you, Luna! Thank you, Buddy!
The star rose on the sky and above them and thanked both of them. Have a safe trip home, Star. The star returned to its place among the stars, shining brighter than ever.
Whenever you look up, remember that kindness can light the way.
And then, Luna and the bunny smiled as the stars twinkled above them.
Bing!
And from that night on, they know that even the smallest act of kindness could make a big difference.